With now 7 rounds remaining, championship rivals to Fabio Quartararo are aiming to stop his rhythm and recover even more grounds on him after Austria. Joan Mir and Pecco Bagnaia, who are tied on second place, some 47 points behind Quartararo, seems to be optimistic about their chance of winning this championship. In their respective pre-race press conference, Pecco Bagnaia stated, "Yeah, for sure, I'm happy. I recovered more points like this than in fully dry condition because Fabio was in trouble with rain tires. I was close to fighting for a win, but in any case, I'm happy because I did my best race in MotoGP, I think. I was setting my pace and feeling comfortable. It was better the second race. The first one we had a bit of bad luck with the restart, but second one we managed to be fast enough to stay in front." Bagnaia also went on to say that Silverstone is one of his favorite tracks and he can potentially hunt Quartararo down. For this, he added, "I am really confident to ride this track. It's one of my favorites. I really like the layout and our bike may suits good. Maybe not like Yamaha, but we will try to be fast enough to stay with Fabio because we really need to recover more points. Still, we're 47 and if Fabio wants to enjoy the championship more, maybe we can fight until the finish. It's better." On the other hand, Joan Mir stated that Silverstone will suit Suzuki bike because Suzuki have won 2 races previously on merit and on pure performance. For this, Mir quoted, "Yes, well, last race was a little bit crazy. I would say that in Austria the feelings were nice in both weekends. The race in the second Grand Prix was unexpectedly difficult, but finally we could be really close to the podium, which was our goal. Now we come to this track, which, as you say, Alex was strong here in 2019. He was able to win. Suzuki got 2 victories in the modern era, and this is for some reason." In addition to this, Mir said that he needs to find a rhythm quickly as this will be his first ever session in Silverstone in MotoGP bike. For this, he added, "The bike can fit well with this track. It will be important to be fighting with the top guys. I will give my best. It will be difficult because it's the first time coming here after a long time, and it will be important to be strong straight away in FP1 and FP2 to get the correct feeling, the correct lines, and I will give my best," he concluded. And lastly, Quartararo also said that this track will suit Yamaha and it will be a good feeling for him. For this, he stated, "2 years ago was one corner on Sunday, but this is one of my favorite tracks on the MotoGP bike. The Yamaha suits the track really well and it's just a matter of going out tomorrow morning, enjoying straight away, having a good time. I hope we get good weather and let's see." Well, this is what the topmost sport is all about. Trying to be best by beating the best. This is what we love MotoGP for. New young brigade giving it everything to be a champion. Well, from our perspective as a supporter, bring it on. Yeah, absolutely bring it on. We just can't wait to see these top guns fighting for every points possible and giving their everything. Yeah, well, having said all this, I think the time is up for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please pass me an honest opinion over this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.